Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. It's Tom. Hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend and were able to take a few moments to remember the reason for this holiday. So many have fallen in battle to both create and preserve our democracy and really to create and preserve democracies around the world. So I just don't want to leave the Memorial Day weekend without that reminder. So it's June 1st. It's the beginning of National Reunification Month, but it's also the opening of our next round of applications for our State of Hope program. Many of you are familiar with this already, but we are, as an agency, are doing the best we can to help develop local community partners to help us to do the work of serving Georgia's vulnerable children and families. So if you are 13 years or older, or an individual, a nonprofit group, any kind of organization with a big idea about how we can improve services for our vulnerable families and youth in Georgia, especially in the areas that we have identified in our child abuse and neglect prevention plan. Those are increasing economic stability, increasing family resiliency, improving the mental and physical health of families, increasing access to early childhood education, and certainly increasing the knowledge and awareness of the societal factors that contribute to child abuse and neglect and how we might prevent it. We certainly want to invite you between now and June 18th to submit an application. What will you get? Well, if you're some organizations or individuals will be selected as State of Hope sites, and you will actually get some seed money to implement your project. And others will be able to join our ecosystem, which is our system in which we are really working together, providing technical assistance to local organizations, all, of course, with the intent of building these community-level partnerships. We know that as an agency, we can't do this work alone. We have to make sure that we have folks in the community helping us. And so if you have a big idea that you think will really help in children or families in your community, I hope you'll apply. There's as I said, the application deadline is June 18th. For more information, you can email StateofHopeadhs.ga.gov. I think we're going on about the third year of doing this now. We've already got about 250 organizations within our ecosystem. I believe we've funded about 50, and we certainly would like to join to add your organization to the list. So bring us your big ideas, and let's all work together to improve outcomes for Georgia's children and families. As I said, it's Reunification Month. This month is the message this year is all in, which means, of course, that reunification is not possible without a wide variety of folks helping out. Parents, kinfolk, case managers, stakeholders, foster parents, all of those who are committed to strengthening these families so that they can safely care for their children. Next Tuesday, June 8th at 10, we're going to recognize the people and efforts around the state who are helping families stay together and get back together. So be on the look for a Teams access link to that. And also check out what we're doing this month to virtually celebrate. I think we'll have a number of virtual reunification celebrations. Those are always fun. Of course, we just wrapped up National Foster Care Month. Douglas County DFCS had a luncheon at Gabe's restaurant in Douglasville to close out the month. Parents were provided a 3-course meal and gifts. Childcare was provided at the office. Foster parents were also afforded the opportunity to drive by and pick up their meals from the restaurant. And I think the county commissioners out in Douglas County also gave us a nice proclamation, so I want to thank them for that. And the other thing I want to mention is that we have a Family First Parent Focus Group opportunity this month. We got a flyer here on that. It's an opportunity for parents who have been reunified with their children to give us some feedback about what worked in the process, about what didn't work very well. The key, of course, is we can't improve our services for families unless we get the feedback we need to know what you've gone through and what worked well and what didn't. That'll be this Thursday, June 3rd from 12 to 1. For more information, you can contact darcy.rob@dhs.ga.gov. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful beginning to your summer, and we will catch up with y'all next Tuesday. Thanks, man.